Hello, everyone. The purpose of this video is to give you all a better idea of what type of conditions the learners were under during their trials. So right here we have typingtest.com, which is the website the learners use to assess their typing skills. I chose this website because it is free and it offers other resources to improve typing, as you can see here on the sidebar, like games and courses, things like that. The test also offers varying conditions. So these are the different time lengths you can select. I chose 1 minute just because it gives the learners a chance to give their hands a break between each trial. And here you see varying difficulties. I chose the medium text. I thought it was pretty neutral. So I'm going to start the test. And once you start, you'll be given words to type, as you can see here. So I'll begin typing just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So right here, I made a mistake on vegetables. If you make a mistake, you actually have the option to go back and correct it. So I'll correct it real quick. The only downside of this is the time sacrificed while correcting the mistake. So right here, at the concluding of the test, you are given your typing speed and also your typing accuracy. So here I was 95% accurate and only one typo.